Mr. Abel and Mr. Jane, good morning. I'm S.T. Zhang. I'm from Hong Kong. Mr. Buffett and Mr. Munger did a very good and successful investment in Japan in the past 5 or 6 years. The recent CPI in Japan is currently above 3%, not far away from its 2% target. Bank of Japan seems very determined in raising rates, while Fed, ECB, and other central banks are considering to cut them. Do you think BOJ, Bank of Japan, makes sense to proceed the rate hike? Will its planned rate hike deter you from further investing Japanese stock market or even considering to realize your current profits? Thank you very much for arranging this greatest event every year. Finally, I wish you healthy always and keep holding this shareholder meeting.
Thank you.